Enhance your annual HVAC check by pairing trained inspection steps with a small set of targeted accessories that speed diagnostics and reduce repeat visits. Start by preparing a concise checklist that follows the manufacturer's service sequence and pair it with a quick reference card for refrigerant pressure and temperature relationships so you can determine charge condition by sight and simple measurements. Use a digital manifold with built-in temperature compensation if possible, since it reduces guesswork on superheat and subcool readings, and carry calibrated clamp meters for accurate current draw checks on compressors and fans. Bring a compact infrared thermometer to spot check coil and duct surface temperatures and to verify temperature split across the system without touching components. Keep a set of insulated pocket thermometers for return and supply readings to avoid ambient interference, and a small coil brush and fin comb kit to remove debris and straighten fins for improved airflow. Add a flexible inspection scope for looking into plenums, drain traps, and inside cabinet areas where condensate or rodent damage can hide. Finally, pack a high-quality hat for sun protection during outdoor work and a field notebook or tablet with pre-filled forms so observations, parts needed, and follow-up recommendations are recorded clearly for the homeowner. Technicians often skip proper baseline measurements, which makes diagnosing intermittent problems difficult, so always document static pressures, system temperatures, and electrical load at the start and end of the audit and compare them year to year. Another common issue is relying on ungauged visual checks only, which misses refrigerant imbalance. Solve that by using the refrigerant pressure and temperature quick reference card together with measured liquid line and suction line temperatures to confirm charge status. A third mistake is poor personal comfort management that shortens focus and increases error, especially when working in sun or heat. So wear a high-quality hat and hydrate regularly and schedule the most demanding tasks during cooler parts of the day. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find paid work by listing projects and local professionals. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and learn from real-world HVAC experiences.